grind stumps into dust with the SG-75 track stump grinder, the industry leader in horsepower and chip containment. Equipped with numerous features that make it the frontline choice of tree care professionals, this beast makes a name for itself in its work with stubborn stumps, hard-to-reach areas, and post-job cleanup. The SG-75 utilizes an efficient gearbox drive system to power two different cutter wheel options: the new Revolution wheel with 44 hex teeth or the Greenteeth wheel with 32. Capable of both high production land clearing and backyard grinding, the SG-75 features rubber tracks that expand up to 55 inches and retract down to 35, giving you a stable platform for efficient stump grinding and the ability to fit into tight areas. And with the help of Bandit's wireless radio remote control, you take full command over travel speed, swing speed, plunge depth, and more. Make a cut too deep? Bandit's Super Sweep allows you to smoothly move the wheel through a stump without overloading or stalling the engine. It does this by automatically backing the cutter wheel away from too aggressive of a cut. Then, once the engine gets its RPM back up, the cutter wheel is back to work. Engineered for maximum chip containment, the SG-75 keeps the operator in mind with fold-down debris curtains. Designed to keep you safe from loose chips, these large rubber curtains collect massive amounts of debris into a concentrated pile under the machine, significantly reducing post-job cleanup, while allowing you to finish the job faster and safer. At Cowline, we offer a wide selection of Bandit wood chippers, stump grinders, horizontal grinders, and more. Whether you're clearing land or grinding a single stump, we've got you covered. For more information on the SG-75, get in touch with a Cowline equipment expert at one of our 7 locations and schedule a demo or consultation today. We take pride in providing our customers with nothing but the best, which is why for us, compromise just won't cut it.